What are you doing?
Alright, I was trying to make it flat because it's not. Cameron, if you're going to work in my office, you need to listen. If you cannot listen, you can't work in my office. Do you understand me? Alright. Maybe that's why this shirt was discounted, because the hems are like not even. Mommy, you have to get it really straight first. That's what I was trying to do.
Okay.
Just get it really straight. And I wasn't able to. I'm still not able to, so. Alright, swing it around. So, come on, get back up here. Get back up here. Swing it around. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, now pull it down. Whoa. Stand right here. Alright, lift it up. Okay. Let it go. Don't. Did I say pull it down? I'm talking to you. Did I say pull it down?
No.
Alright, see. We're going to use a pressing pad. Because, I don't need this one. Because Mama can't get your shirt. Cover your mouth, please. Speak. Say, okay, Mommy.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, so we're going to use a pressing pad, and that's going to help get this really straight for us, okay?
I was doing it. Turn it over here?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to hold this side?
You have to stand up. Let Mommy help you with this part, because it's not a lot of room. And then this is one. Okay.
Yay. Now can I count?
Cammy, hold on.
This is hot right here, all right? This is hot right here, right? It's hot.
All right. Excuse me. All right. So for the first shirt, be still. Please don't push my camera. Okay, for the first shirt, here. Go put this where you want it.
I want it right here.
It's upside down. Did you want it upside down?
No, I want it like this. Right here.
Okay.
Now shots on it.
Hold on. We gotta add these. Here. Yep.
Add this. A circle right here.
And the O. And then you have to add this where the R goes.
It goes right where?
Where the R.
Where?
Right here. It looks different because it doesn't have that circle piece. And then we add this triangle where the A goes.
The A goes right here. On the top.
It goes a little bit in the middle, and then that goes in the middle too. And then this, I think we just gotta turn it this way. Boop. Okay. And then this, we gotta turn it a little bit and go boop. And this, we gotta bring down. Let's just straighten it out a little bit.
No.
Uh-oh. Mommy will fix it. Uh-oh. Take this paper, and then we just put it right on top. Don't push it too hard, okay? And then push this in. You can push it right here if you want.
No,
it's not hot. It's not. Baby, it's not hot. Okay. Yeah, push it in. Okay. And then let's swing it from here. Let's touch this and swing it. Okay. And then let's let that sit for a minute.
It's counting.
Okay. Talk to the people. What are you doing, Cam?
That's just like my shirt.
Just making a shirt? Yeah. What do you have on your shirt today?
Cam's Curry.
You didn't put Cameron Curry. You just put Cameron.
I put Cameron. And I'm just about to do my shirt. Can I open it now?
Yeah. Stand up.
I'm standing up.
I am standing up.
I said I am standing up. Whoa. That's cool.
Check it out. Take the paper out. I think it needs some more time. Is it stuck on there?
It's hot.
Yeah. Stuck on there. What do you think?
Yeah, but I want to write the C.
Yeah.
It's hot though. Why is it so hot?
Okay, so one shirt done. Hold on, stay right there. We gotta do another. It's hot because that's what makes it stick. You want to do another one, right? Be careful. It's hot behind you.
I know. Yeah. Wait, you got another shirt?
Yeah.
Why? Why? Why did you get another shirt?
I thought you wanted to too.
Yeah, I do, but I can wear 2 shirts of them. But I want to, since we do 2 things, I want to do all the names from over here.
Okay.
No, wait.
Actually, stop picking at it. Okay, stand up. We don't have to wait that long for a pre-press. There it goes. Okay, now I'm going to pull this out a little bit. And then the next one, hold on. The next one is going to be a little tricky. Hold on.
Yeah, tricky.
Here. Put that one on there first. Nope, the other way. The other way, honey. You have to flip it the other way. That's backwards. Yeah, flip it like this. So do you want it like that? Do you want it sideways?
I want it like this.
Just like that?
I want it like this.
Okay.
I want it like this.
Okay.
And right there.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. That's going to be fire, Cam.
Yeah.
That's a fire design. Okay, now let's swing it. Stand up.
Woo.
Push it.
Yeah. Now we wait.
Okay.
That's not that, y'all. Can I get it up now?
No, you gotta wait. Here, check out your other shirt you made.
Ooh, that is cool. Drippy, drippy.
Let's see what you look like. Cover your mouth. Cameron! Nice. Can't wait till you do a try-on, Cam.
Can I open it now? Like, open it now?
Hold on, Cam. Hold on. Wait. Stop. Wait. Stop. Okay, stand up. Okay, now this one, we gotta let it cool off for a little bit.
Wow.
Let it cool off.
Shirts. These are due.
2.
Yeah, so I can try on too, SJ.
Huh?
So, yo, what up? That's what you said. You said, yo, what up?
I thought you were about to press
Yo,
yours.
what up? Yo, what up? Yo, what up?
You pressing yours or you coming back?
I'll come back. I'll be back.
Ooh, yeah, I made my shirt. Do you want to do it off?
It's so hot.
It's hot. It's hot. Ooh, how do I use?
Shh.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay. Now we gotta put. Hold on. And then we gotta.
Don't undo it.
Well, you want to press it down?
Yeah. Well, then, cool. And I dip my shirt all by myself.
Hold on. I gotta do it closer.
Now we wait.
Yeah, we wait. You okay? Tucker's going upstairs with that.
He came down here.
No. Why you not in there with that?
Oh, why do I gotta go to you to give you a party?
Why did you want to go?
Yeah,
You got cookie all around your mouth.
I know.
Yeah, I wanted to go too.
Not bad.
I wanted to go to.
Now let's stand up.
I wanted to go to.
Hi, Daddy.
Mike about to stop over for a second.
Oh, he is?
Oh, yes?
What? Just stop over?
No, I'm smoking.
Smoke.
I knew it.
I know it too.
You asked. You always got to know.
Hey, Mom, you see that? You got 28 more
Yabba,
days, Mom.
yabba, yabba.
Okay, we gotta let this cool down. You should go show Daddy your shirt while this one cools down.
Take your mom shirt. See how you? Now you got my shirt. Now you got my shirt.
Ooh, that's sweet. Look at you, man. That's sweet. Cammy.
Say hi, guys. You guys are on live.
What's
Hey.
up?
Cammy,
What's up?
say hi. Show him your shirt. Ooh, with the Martin vibe, Shavar. Okay, here, take this. Take that paper off. Okay, so you can compress. That's your shirt. Oh, that's my favorite. He picked it. I mean, I cut it like that, but I said, how you want to lay it? He chose like that. I'm like, ooh, Cam, I like that.
Oh, what is this one?
Huh?
What's
Yeah, that's
you
really
need to
good.
like remove it or what?
Yeah, you don't have to go. No, wait, sideways. That's how I've been doing.
I'm trying with this real first.
Cover your mouth. Yeah, push it in. Hey, is that centered? Is that where you want it?
I didn't think it
No, you don't need the roller thing. You have to pre-press. You have to straight. Take your time. Straighten out your shirt. There you go. And then, actually, you do need that pressing pillow because these buttons are plastic. So if you put too much heat on it, it'll break. So open it up and then stick it in there. Let me see. Drippy, Kim. Super, super drippy. I love it. Do you like it?
Yeah,
Or you can't see?
I can see it.
You gonna keep it on and go look in the mirror? Or
I can see it.
here. See, look, Cam. Look.
Keep it blue on.
Yeah. Look, Cam.
I'm ready.
You got 2 shirts on, bro?
Yeah.
That's where you want it? Down? So it's gonna be like right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
You want it right here or down here? Because right now you got it down here. Okay. Is it in the center? Does it look like it's even? Do you have the same number of hands on each side? Let me see your hands. Oh, you like that one, huh? Yeah, that's my favorite too. That's Daddy's favorite too, right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sweet. Both were sweet. Alright, yeah. Now I got it.
Okay. You can go hang that up. And go hang that one up too.
But I want to wear this one and hang this up.
Okay.
Yes.
Looks great.
Where's the bottom?
I want to hang this one up.
Okay. There you go. Go ahead. Push it in and swing it over. Push it in first.
Oh.
This dude don't listen, baby.
I do listen.
Someone burping on your line.
Whoa. Mom, I need some help. What?
Push it. Stop. You didn't stop. You didn't listen. I said push it in. Baby. What does push mean? Like, push.
Oh.
Push it in. There you go. Push down. Now you just gotta wait maybe like to 40. I thought you wanted to be on live. Why are you standing in front of the camera?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, pull it now, baby. Push all the way back. All the way back. Yeah.
Oh, pop it up here.
It just got hot. Pull it. Pull it off. So what do you think black on blacks look like? Do you like it? Or you... Throw it away. Right here. My trash is right here.
I want to do like red or blue instead.
You want the computer?
Yeah.
I got red right here. Okay, so take this off. This is a basement floor and it's not meant to be level. So this cart is kind of like... That's why this thing keep rocking and don't stay full.
Oh.
So, what do you think? What do you think?
It's sweet, but I think like red or blue.
Mm-hmm. You didn't see that, but you see, that's why I said put it on the shirt. See what you think about it. I knew, but I didn't know what style you was going for. What did you want to?
She got 96 likes.
Oh. I don't really know how to work that thing, but you can turn it on. I just figure if I'm up here doing something that I'm not making a video on, I should turn it on. Yeah.
People joining and stuff. You sure?
I mean, no. I mean, if it's stuff I want to record, then I either have like my camera